the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
What it is? What's up? Gonna get no good. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Candace Denise, and I am back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, you know, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. So as you can tell from the title, we are decorating cookies. All right, so we are decorating Santa's holiday cookies, and this kit actually came from Target. And I broke a nail, so if you are making judgments about my nail, don't do it. Yes, but you know, in more recent years, I've done gingerbread houses, but they be taking me down through there, okay? So today we're gonna decorate some cookies. And it comes with 18 pre-baked cookies. There's pre-made white icing. There's red, green, black, yellow, and blue icing. There's holiday sprinkles, holiday confetti sprinkles, gold sanding sugar, Santa sanding sugar. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see Daisy. All right, so I'm anticipating that this is gonna come out better. Okay, so here's the pre-made white icing pouch, the gold sanding sugar, the holiday confetti sprinkles, the holiday sprinkle mix, Santa sanding sugar. You have the blue icing, well, the icing tubes. It's different colors. And then the 18 pre-made cookies. I'm not really gonna decorate 18, but we're gonna see how well we can get this together. Let's do one of each. Stocking, a reindeer, a Santa Claus, a gingerbread man, a gingerbread house, and a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? Let's start with the snowman. So the snowman looks like he'll be a little easier to do because you basically just have to fill the cookie up with icing first. All right, so here we go. So first you have to knead the icing pouch for 2 minutes to bring icing to room temperature and make it more adhesive. Okay, so we're just gonna count out 2 minutes in my head. Okay, I feel like it's been 2 minutes. So we're gonna open the pouch. Is it already open? Oh, you gotta cut it. Scissors right here. Okay, so maybe I need to cut the tip bigger because it's not coming out. But I didn't want it to come out like gushing, you know? So let's see. Okay, it's still not coming out at all. This should not be that hard to come out. It can't be because of the tip. Yeah, it definitely wasn't because of the tip. Why is it so hard to come out? I'm about to cut this bag open in a minute. Mine don't look like this. It's not sticking. This don't make no sense. Because why is this stuff not sticking? If you really, really want it, oh, I know that this is it. All right, so now we need the black for the hat. So do I need to knead these two? Okay, cut the tip off. All right, let's make the hat. Okay, this one don't really want to come out either, but it's sticking better, I think. Okay, we're doing it with the black now. Now we need to draw the eyes and the mouth and the little buttons on his coat. And let's draw him a little scar. He got a big neck, make him some little green mittens. Okay, keep his hands from being cold while he's outside. All right, take a little blue. Put the blue in between the green, like toothpaste. Like, I can do makeup. I don't have a problem with these. I don't get it. Okay, drew the scar. Now let's put a little mistletoe on his hat, you know, just in case. I got a little blue line drawn first. Then the green little mistletoe. Now let's draw a little red berry. Okay, and the little red nose too. Okay, there's a yellow to it. And we have the first one done. I'll show you all of them at the end. You know, I want to give a level of mystery. Reindeer looks fairly simple. Just got a little outline on the top. Okay. Okay, we got that, and let's do the nose. Need some eyes. All right, and his little detailing on his antlers. And then he needs black on his eyes to make eyes. Eyes may just be a little visually challenged, but it's okay. And we got sprinkles. Got Rudolph done. Okay, we're making some progress, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all at the end. Okay, so I'll show you. So this is what the snowman is looking like. Cute, right? I'm gonna do a side by side of what I was going for. This is Rudolph. The second looks fairly easy. So it's got white at the top. Stripes. Oops, daisy. Oh, it's white down here too. Then it's a red trim. And then that one had sprinkles on it. Add these. Okay, stocking. Santa Claus. So Santa Claus has, let's do his beard, fill in the mustache, and then the hat. Whew. All right, let's do the nose and the little mouth thing. Okay, let's do the hat. Put this away. Oh, and then I gotta put the tip on the hat too. Little ball. And then this one has the Santa sugar on it. Ooh. ice. And white for the football on the head. Oh, we got Santa Claus. Gingerbread man. Not too much on him. He's got squiggles on his hand and feet. He got a smile. Red. Got a green bow tie. Black eyes. Look like he got a crown made of sprinkles, but we're gonna make a crown made of yellow, like his hands and feet. There we go. And then white little buttons. Damn. Gingerbread house. They got a green thing on the door. I'm assuming the inside is green too, but they got sprinkles on it. So then there's little decorations on the side. They got little gingerbread right there, but we're gonna put that. Blue little squiggles. Just trying to make some icicles. I wish it came in a tube like this. It's easier for me to control versus this big bag. Maybe it's just me. Mistletoe over the door. Let me put a little mistletoe over my door. Find me a little Christmas baby. We got, what, 5 days left to Christmas? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 5 days to Christmas. Y'all think it's too late for matching pajamas? Maybe. I mean, keep hope alive. Things can change in a matter of days. God's timing. And I got pajamas. The store sell pajamas. We can, make it work. And we are done! Let me show you the gingerbread house. Let me show you what these cookies look like. Okay, so this is a snowman. And this is my snowman. Isn't it cute? That's Frosty the Snowman right there. Then we have the gingerbread house. And this is my gingerbread house. They pretty much look exactly alike, honestly. We have Santa Claus here. And this is my Santa Claus. Twins. We have the gingerbread man. And here's my gingerbread man. And then we have Rudolph. And that's my Rudolph. Oh, and then there's stocking. And that's my stocking. I hope you enjoyed decorating these Santa's holiday cookies from Target. It's a cute little kit. They had other little DIY kits too. Just a really fun Christmas activity, especially when you're looking for things to do that are budget friendly with the kids at the house, or even with yourself or with your significant other. This is a really cute activity to do. Have y'all decorated cookies this year, or have y'all did gingerbread houses? What's the activity that y'all are working on this season? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure that y'all like this video, and of course make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next Vlogmas video. Bye!